Welcome to this magnificent remodel home, a residence originally built in the 1980s and now completely reimagined for today's luxury lifestyle on the golf course. What began as a traditional home with a more enclosed floor plan, it has now been transformed into an elegant, open, and sophisticated living experience. This was not simply a cosmetic remodel. Every space was thoughtfully reconsidered, redesigned, and elevated to create a home that reflects how people live, entertain, and enjoy luxury today. The original architecture was respected, but it was also dramatically enhanced. One of the most important design decisions was to raise the ceilings to the highest point possible, creating a greater sense of volume, openness, and natural light throughout this home. This immediately changed the feeling of the residence, giving it a more expansive, modern, and refined atmosphere. Where rooms were once closed off and separated, the layout has now been opened to create a seamless open floor plan. The main living areas now flow effortlessly from one space to the next, allowing the home to feel connected, inviting, and ideal for both everyday living and entertaining. At the heart of the home is a gourmet kitchen designed not only for cooking, but for gathering. It brings together modern function, luxury finishes, and timeless design, becoming a central feature of the home and a natural extension of the living and dining areas. Another important feature created during this remodel is the custom bathroom and as well as the custom bar. Because from day one, this was one of the client's specific requirements, a fabulous powder room and a magnificent bar that will be dedicated and will be that space that would enhance that home's entertainment value while adding elegance, of course, character, and definitely functionality. Now, the custom bar was designed to feel integrated into the overall architecture of the home, offering a sophisticated place to host sophistication when guests came, and they will also enjoy that golf course lifestyle and yet bring a sense of resort style living into the residence. Every room has been carefully rearranged, redesigned, and refined. The goal was not only to modernize the home, but to transform the entire experience of living in this home. From the raised ceilings and open floor plan to the gourmet kitchen, the custom bar, luxury finishes everywhere, state-of-the-art bathrooms, magnificent swimming pool, and golf course setting, this home has been completely recreated for modern luxury living. So, let's talk about the different details that you will see in this home as we do a fabulous walkthrough. If you notice, the vast space that would feel as a warehouse is now divided into 4 to 5 sections with no walls whatsoever. The main feature becomes the entertainment center, which is where the 85-inch TV sits, with a magnificent feature that it looks like a piece of art, yet it is the TV that you can watch from the kitchen, through the 2 sitting rooms, through the dining room, and yet you can also have this sitting arrangement for up to 20 people comfortably and look at that magnificent golf course view daily. The seating arrangements are separated with a sectional as a U shape, low because the ceilings are high and there's no way you will ever block the view. Comfortable clubs sitting together facing the fireplace is a separate area, yet still within the same space. It's all connected with this grand area rug. And as you walk into the kitchen, now you will see where a casual dining room feels as if it's a formal dining room with a 84-inch round table with fabulous chairs. But the cocktail table is not just any cocktail table. It's also integrated with a dining room table where you have calacata stone inserted to tie into this giant island in the kitchen. And then again, it's connected not just to the island, but it's also integrated together with the same finishes as the kitchen within the dining table, as well as the magnificent bar, which is the heart of the home. The bar, which has been the feature that was requested by a client, has a backlit wall that at night it becomes the most magnificent diamond effect, because the slab, when it's backlit, you will feel like you are in the nightclub. During the day, you feel like you are integrated with nature itself, which is the golf course. These are the amenities that luxury lifestyle require: bars, dining areas, state-of-the-art kitchens. But yet what makes this place unique is that it's all connected with architectural details that are enhanced within the walls themselves, such as the connecting beautiful border of cladding effect connecting from one side of the room to the other. Imagine a vast space that ranges 65 feet long by 45 feet wide, and yet we were able to create 6 rooms in one. Living room with a club seating, dining room with an entertainment and serving bar area, as well as a state-of-the-art kitchen, all connected only with finishes and textures. Mirrors are important as long as you're reflecting the right thing. The island is also oversized, and a lot of amenities will be behind that island that you may not see here, because it's all about luxury, it's all about integration, it's all about connection, it's all also about finishes. The architectural windows remained from the original structure, yet they became part of the oversized kitchen with luxury finishes in a very slick way, because all the appliances are integrated within the cabinetry. Oh, the patio room. The patio room is a sculpture of its own, with a unique, rich, metallic panel. And then you walk into the master bedroom, which is where the luxury relaxation begins, with very smooth textures, as well as relaxing colors, accents of turquoise and blue, which is what ties together to the water, the sky, because at the end of the day, this is luxury lifestyle living. Master Suite also incorporates 2 magnificent chandeliers connecting the sitting area to the sleeping area in this long 35-foot bedroom that used to be 3 small bedrooms before. But now this master suite becomes part of the swimming pool and the resort area, which is the whole golf course, the lifestyle of the golfers, which is where they're going to feel like they are, again, integrated, the interiors with the exteriors when they're living in this space every day. This is a luxury home. It's only a part-time home for people that normally live up north. But when they come to Florida, they're going to experience the spa lifestyle in their own master bathroom, spa and golf getaway in their Florida home, and all the little tricks like infinity mirrors in the master bathroom will bring them closer to their destination in the luxury Florida lifestyle.